So hello everyone, my name is Pranal and I'm an associate with IDG. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the termination of an agreement in law. So in this video I'm going to give you all a brief overview of the same. So the termination of an agreement in law refers to the process by which a legally binding contract between two or more parties is brought to an end, either through mutual agreement or due to breach of the contract. So now talking about the grounds of termination, the termination of an agreement can occur for various reasons including non-performance or material breach of contract by one of the or both the parties, expiration of contract term, mutual consent, frustration on purpose or operation of law. So now talking about the breach of contract, if one party fails to fulfill its obligation under the contract, the other party have the right to terminate the agreement or the concerned agreement in relation to that. The termination may immediate to or subject to a notice period depending on the terms of the contract and applicable laws. Some contracts may include a provision allowing one of both the parties to terminate agreement without specifying any particular reason for the same. So now I'm going to talk about the notice requirements. Many agreements specify a notice period that must be given before termination of a contract. The notice period allows both parties to have sufficient time to prepare for the termination and make necessary arrangements. So now talking about the cure period, in cases of non-performance or breach of a contract, the terminating party may be required to provide a cure period allowing the breaching party an opportunity to rectify the breach and fulfill their obligation before the termination takes effect. Contracts often include specific termination clauses that outline the conditions, procedures and consequences for the termination and for the same. These clauses may address notice requirements, cure periods, payment obligation, return of property and dispute resolution mechanism. The termination of an agreement generally relieves the party from further performance of their contractual obligation. However, it may also trigger certain consequences such as the payment of outstanding amounts, returns on property or on the obligation to fulfill post-termination obligations if any. So now in this video I'm going to talk about some legal remedies. If a party believes that the termination of an agreement is wrongful or unjustified, they may seek legal remedies such as specific performance, which means that forcing the breaching party to fulfill their obligations, and injunctive relief, which means that preventing the termination or monetary compensation. It is essential to document the termination of an agreement properly. This may involve preparing a termination notice, communication of termination to the other party in writing, and maintaining records for any relevant communications or evidence of breach. So in this, I'm just going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can just ping in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day.